the ultimate test of physics. An immovable object.
Forged from theoretical, hyperdense tungsten and titanium alloys. It is designed to withstand a nuclear blast without a scratch.
Military-grade weapons are completely useless against it.
The wall remains absolute.
But today, it faces the unstoppable force.
The simulation is set. The ultimate collision.
What happens when unstoppable meets immovable? Meet the unstoppable force, a hypervelocity magnetic levitation train.
Powered by experimental fusion thrusters.
It accelerates from 0 to 1,000 miles per hour in seconds.
Breaking the sound barrier within the enclosed tunnel. Kinetic energy reaches unimaginable levels. Approaching supersonic speeds. The friction alone turns the titanium nose red hot.
The target is locked. There are no brakes.
Physics is about to be broken.
Impact in 3, 2, 1.
The kinetic energy has to go somewhere.
A shockwave shatters the environment.
The wall absorbs the impact without yielding a single millimeter.
The metal actually turns to plasma upon impact.
The engine tears itself apart.
massive machine, reduced to a pancake of molten steel.
But wait, did the unstoppable force win?
The energy transferred through the wall is causing a structural failure.
The immovable object shatters.
The result is mutual destruction.
Earlier experiments showed just how tough this wall was.
Even the hardest natural substance turned to dust. Heat weapons were completely absorbed.
Aircraft engine tests left it freezing cold on the other side. Explosives merely polished the surface.
The cleanup will take months. A stark reminder of the laws of physics. Nothing is truly indestructible. And no force is truly unstoppable.
That was the most insane impact I have ever witnessed.
What crazy experiment should we run next? Comment below and subscribe to Rising Story USA. We'll continue to track this rising story as updates come in.